Hello everyone, welcome back at Tech ET. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 5G is shaping up to be a serious powerhouse. According to a leaked Geekbench result, the upcoming handset looks set to snatch gold medal position on the chart of the highest performing Android phones available right now. Samsung is widely expected to launch two Galaxy Note 10 model this year, a more affordable variant with a smaller screen and a so-called Note 10 Pro, with a humongous 6.7-inch AMOLED and 4 rear-mounted cameras. Both of these models will ship in 4G and 5G flavors, bringing the total to 4. For those who don't know, benchmark scores are designed to help consumers quickly compare performance between different devices on different platforms. So regardless of the chipset brand, manufacturer or operating system, the higher the Geekbench score, the better the performance. According to the leaked benchmark for the maxed out Note 10 5G, which is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 coupled with 12GB of RAM in the Geekbench listing, the handset can achieve a multi-core score of 10,840. If you are wondering how that compares to the competition, as it stands, the Android smartphone with the highest multi-core performance listed on the Geekbench chart is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, which clocks in at 10,615. It's followed by the smaller Galaxy S10, which has a multi-core score of 10,576. Interestingly, when it comes to the single-core performance listed for the 5G-enabled Note 10, it's actually lower than the Galaxy S10 Plus and Galaxy S10. In fact, it's only slightly better than the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 from last year.
Hi! Want to know more about the futuristic tech and latest gadgets? At Techtastic, we provide news, reviews, and updates of the latest tech on the market. So don't forget to subscribe to my new channel in the description below.